turn blue. There's a bright future ahead of you, but you're changing your direction and you're clouding up your mind. Reach deep inside yourself for the night you left behind. I know if we fight, we can beat this demon, and if you just try, you can regain your freedom. All you have to do is just believe, and grace will set you free. I know the road ahead seems perilous and gray, but you'll find the journey's worth the while. Yeah, it's gonna take some time, but just know in the end, distress and hardships will reconcile, and you'll end all your days with a smile. Let go of your burden now. There's a better way. Listen patiently and hear what he has to say. I know if we fight, we can beat this demon, and if you just try, you can regain your freedom. All you have to do is just believe. Get on your knees, let him take hold of your wings. Promise me you'll still believe, and grace will set you free. Shouldn't be taken advantage of. What happened to your innocence? Running free, wildflowers is what you used to love, but that's become a memory ever since. Now try to bring that memory back and give it another chance. Forgiveness is in the air, trust and you will find your problems render no more. For you are a child of God, oh how he loves you so. Show him that he is not forgotten, and he will love you forevermore. I can't tell you it'd be easy, but I know that you're strong. The battle lies within your heart, stand up and sing your song. Allison, your river runs deep. Oh, Allison, your river runs wide. And Allison, you've got a lot of love in your heart, and you give all that you have inside.